What's up, you guys?
Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Audrey.
And I am Hui.
In this video, we're going to show you everything we eat on this camping trip. We just set up our tent and we are now starving, so let's eat some dinner.
Let's take a minute to appreciate our setup. We got a tablecloth on the bench so that we can sit without getting our pants dirty. We got a good tablecloth that we can reuse. And then this one we're gonna use for the weekend, and then we're gonna throw it away when we are done. And for dinner, we have Jersey Mike's. Please sponsor us somehow. Cheers. Can you guys hear the butter in the back? This is good.
So for our first camping meal, we always like to just buy something to go, because by the time we're done setting up and all that, it's usually already so late and we're so hungry that we feel like there's not enough time to cook. So this is what we always do. Last time we got Panda Express and it attracted all the bees or wasps.
We're seeing the spot right now.
Yeah.
So we just got done with our sandwiches. Currently there's a fire ban going on in Washington right now. So luckily my sister lent us her propane fire pit. So this is coming in clutch. Because I think right now it's like 45, 50 degrees.
It's quite cold for sure.
It's a little chilly. So
we decided to not do s'mores because with only 2 people and you have to buy like the whole entire like bag of marshmallows and stuff, like that doesn't make any sense.
Even when we have more people camping, it's impossible to finish everything.
Yeah.
Like you have to buy like a mini kit or something. Cheers. Cheers.
It'd be good with some tea or coffee.
Should we go make some tea?
Maybe a little bit later.
Later that same evening.
Alright guys, it's freezing right now and it's a perfect time for some ramen.
Five minutes later.
Just hit the spot. Just warming right up. Good morning, you guys. It was one freezing night and the morning is still cold, so we are warming ourselves up with some tea.
I just made a s'mores latte, or my take on a s'mores latte. Let's see how it tastes. Delicious. Now that we have some caffeine, we have the energy to cook.
Crispy and salty bacon.
The sun is finally starting to come out, so hopefully it warms up a bit.
After breakfast, we went on a walk and make our way down to the lake. And right here is the water. But the craziest thing is we walk from all the way back there, and I'll insert a photo for you guys because the water level has receded so much compared to the last time that we were here. All of this right here used to be water, and we could only stand back there 3 years ago. It's lunchtime now and we are going to have a Korean feast.
Lucky I'm alive with you by my side. Yeah, feeling so right with the love on a flight. Ride or die, running low till you got no space. You been thinking about me 24/7, 365 every day. More than I'm feeling.
Got this kit from H Mart. It's our first time trying it. It says quick and easy. We love quick and easy meals.
Sure do, especially when we go camping. Now that it boils, according to the instruction, we're going to put these in for 6 minutes.
Alright guys, our food is ready. It looks delicious. So excited to eat.
Me too. I've been watching so many of these Korean camping video on TikTok. Mmm. So good.
Mmm. Do you like a fish cake?
Yes, please. Fish cake. Mmm. Spicy.
It is spicy.
All that red chili flakes.
Spicy. Should give you a rice cake before it gets too
Soggy.
Yeah. This is a good meal though.
Sure is. So easy. It for sure is quick and easy.
Yeah.
Rice cake. Mmm. It is so chewy.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
We also got our Korean drink pouches.
Cheers. Wow. So good.
Mm-hmm.
Korean food for camping is the way to go.
It is a little bit later. We are gonna have an early dinner because we got hungry and we saw this at H Mart and we're like, we think this is gonna be the perfect camping trip meal. It is ramen. It's a giant ramen box. So yeah, let's open it up.
5 minutes later.
Alright, welcome to our Ramen Mukbang. I'm actually really curious to see how this tastes.
Yep, and we are comparing it to the Jin ramen.
Yeah, that's our favorite. And we ran out of chopsticks, so I'm using a fork.
Cheers.
Cheers.
The noodle texture is good. It tastes very similar to Jin too.
It does, it does. You want to try the broth?
Yeah.
Yeah, I might need more water, huh?
Nope. By the way, if we haven't told you already, this campground is Kaches Campground, which is one of our favorite campground here in Washington State, and we have been here multiple times in the past. And if you haven't watched the video already, we'll put the link to the top of the video. This is good.
We put eggs in here, 2 eggs, but
Egg disappeared.
the egg disappeared.
Like for a chilly evening like this, just hit the spot.
I saw people like eat this whole entire ramen thing by themselves.
One
like,
person?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah. I mean, you know, like the mukbangers. But I don't even know if we can finish this. We might have to save it for later. We need more friends to eat this ramen with. Between the two of us, this is crazy.
It sounds kind of sad, but we do have friends. It's just this trip, we decided to go just by ourselves so we can have some good quality time alone.
Because in this campground, there's literally no signal on your phone, so you have no choice but to unplug.
Yep.
Alright you guys, we decided that we want to have a chill rest of the night and not have to worry about filming. So we are going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. And last but not least, don't forget to keep
Winning at life. See you next video.
Bye.
Bye.